Ladies and gentlemen, we have finished several factories tour with us, and you can see from our customers and our clients, they are full of capacity and of introduction of the manufacturing and also the selling, and they have prepared for the ALDI for the selling their export products online, and they have got ready and give some preparation. So next time, next factory will be our Energylux, Optoelectronics technology company. Hi, are you there, Energylux? Is that Amanda waiting there?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Wow. Hi, Amanda. Can you please? Oh, yeah. Hi, I'm Jane. Hi, how are you?
Hi, Jane.
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Wow, a very pretty lady. Thank you. And Amanda, I'm Jane from Lightstrade. Yeah. And would you like to have like 10 to 15 minutes and give us a full introduction of your company? Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Hi, this is Amanda from Energylux company. Energylux is a professional sensor and sensor lighting manufacturer in Ningbo. And we have more than 10 years experience for the sensor product. And today I feel so happy here stand for Energylux to introduce to our company and recommend our sensor products to all of you for this online trade show. And firstly, let me briefly making an introduction of our company. As just mentioned, we are main producing sensor and sensor lighting, including infrared motion sensor, sensor socket, microwave sensor, sensor, presence sensor, photo cell sensor, and sensor lamps. Also, we do the sensor lighting. And all these items, we obtain the certification such as TUV, GSCE, SAA CB ROHS, and we sell our product all over the world. 15% we send to the European market, 30% is Middle South American, 10% is for the Asian and the Australian market. And we also supply for some German customer and some other well-known brand like OBI, LIDL, ALDI, and LIDL. To help these clients, we could start cooperation with you as well. Our company adopt 4 automatic SMT production lines, automatic components in sectors. So as well, we are sorting of a German either IOI machine and a sporting welding machine, instruction machine, actual. We hope we have a chance to cooperate with all of the customers from the world.
Wow, very good introduction. Wow, I see a very pretty lady and with a very fluent English and give us a very rich and accountable company introduction. So I heard from your introduction, you are mainly doing the overseas markets, and it's like a 50% to Europe and 30% to Middle South America and 10% to Asia and Australia, like that.
Yes.
Wow. It's so worldwide. Wow. I just take notes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I just focus on how your introducing, and I don't want to miss any details. Wow. So do you want to introduce some product? Yeah.
What's that? This we call the infrared motion sensor, and we also call the PI sensor.
Yes.
When the people movement, when the sensor detects the people movement, the lights will on. This is like a sensor switch can connect with the lamps. All kinds of lamps is okay. So when people movement, the lights will on. It will make your world more smart. This item is you can see this part is detected inside. This one also we have the second detector. These items we can installation on the wall. Also, when you remove this head, you also can installation on the ceiling.
Okay.
And also this is for the corner. When the corner, you also can installation. This item we call the 3-in-1 because compared with compare with the normal version, maybe only can installation on the ceiling or only can on the wall. So this is we call the 3-in-1 sensor.
Wow, I see. This one, the first of all, is energy saving. So if there's no movement of a person or even a cat, so it And second one, I see the highlight of this product is flexible. So you can do it on sitting, on the horizontal one and the vertical walls, and you can change the angle to detect the moving objects, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's the highlights. Yeah, that's really good.
And also we do some sensor lightings, like this one. This is a PR sensor.
Okay.
This look this appears maybe just a normal panel light, but we and the PR sensor. That means only detect the people movement, the lights will on. And we also have more operation because inside we have two switch. These items it's a CCT version. You can set to warm white, cool white, or so we have three temperature. Yes, CCT temperature. And you can see this knob, four knobs. The first one, second one, last one is the switch. What does the switch mean? It can control by the switch on the wall.
Automatically switch and change the temperature.
Yeah. Also, some for the customer using, they want to keep the lamps always on. It also can realize because we have the knob here. You can set the DIP switch for the on version. On version, that means the lights will continue on. If you want to set the lamp as a motion sensor lamp, you can set it down. It's PR motion.
PR motion. Wow.
Yeah. So this is you have a option for the customer to choice which mode do they need. Yeah. And also we have you can see this design. Normally it's for the ceiling, and we also associate it for flash mounted.
Flash mounted. I see spring on that.
These items we sell very well.
So the installation can be fixed
for ceiling. Also can flash mounted.
Oh, flash mounted. Oh,
yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
The installation is great.
This is an advantage for these items. And also we have the three colors. Can just
different color will go with the indoor design.
Indoor design. This is
great.
The
silver one. A bronze one.
This is the like
dark gray. Light one.
Changeable.
Wow, I see. It's convenient and convertible, and it's have a PR sensor, right?
Yes.
Advantage.
CCT PR panel lines. Yeah,
that's great. Wow. So next, the product. They have
also this year also the sensors, but we call it the microwave sensor. The microwave sensor is more sensitivity than the infrared motion sensor. For example, you can see the sensors no any lines. This is lines for the PR sensor. When the PR sensor if cover some things, it cannot work. But microwave can't. It can cover the thin wall, thin glasses. It can also to work. Such like
how long you can reach out? How long is
the distance is can more than the diameter can more than 16
centimeter, like a
8 and
16.
Yeah. No, this item you can put inside. That means you can find if you in your home have the normal lightings, you can put our sensor inside.
Oh, okay. So it can change a normal light into a intelligent one. Oh,
yes. You can handle this PC. It also can work.
Okay.
Yeah. So this items is you can DIY by yourself in your home, or you can make you can ask for someone to do it like this. This is a built-in sensor.
Built-in sensor. I'm guessing this built-in sensor will be very much popular because you don't have to buy a new technology, intelligent one, but you can just change from your ordinary traditional light into a new one. Yeah, that's great.
Yes. We also do some sensor light, sensor light like the night light. Yeah. You can use it at home. It's very easy with battery. With battery inside. No power, just the battery inside. And at night you can use it at home. It's very convenient.
So during my night, I would like to get up, so it will sense me moving and lights.
Yeah. So for the product above is like this.
Wow.
We do all kinds of sensors. So if the customer have inquired for the sensor, contact me.
Great. Yeah. Wow, those productions are very. I can see. Personally, it's very cute.
Very cute. Yeah, nice.
Very cute. Yeah, and it's like very bonding with our social life, our normal life, and our what we're doing in home. So may I ask you a question? Are you selling those products on e-commerce? For example,
we don't have sell directly to those trader, but we have a customer. They buy our product. They sell to which you mentioned.
I see. So one of your customer is a buyer, and this buyer is like the Amazon or e-commerce.
Yes.
The dealer. Wow, I see. Because your product, the size and the weights are very suitable for
suitable.
Yeah. And they're very popular. The highlights and advantages are very obviously. And I think your product is really maybe a wholesale.
Yes, for us, those are wholesaler.
That's great. Thank you. Wow. So today Amanda have given us a very full detailed and vivid introduction of like 3 or 4 products. Very good. Thank you. Would you like to add something else? Anything else you would like to add?
That's all.
And if they're interested, contact you. Okay, I see. Thank you.
Yes, contact me directly.
Yeah, contact you directly. Thank you, Amanda. So
thank you.
See you next time and have a good day.
See you next time.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.